Hi, I'm George Della Grammaticus, and welcome to Duke MEMS. When you come to Duke University, you get the full campus experience. We're right in the middle of the Research Triangle, and we're in the great city of Durham. Our flexible curriculum allows you to study in the areas of energy propulsion and structures for Earth and space, optimal design for virtual and physical systems, even multi-scale advanced and bio-inspired materials. You're able to take courses in robotics, autonomy, material science, and artificial intelligence. This very flexible curriculum allows you to personalize every step of your way toward your career.
Duke has many makerspaces on campus open for students working on any project, even outside of the engineering department. So you can go work on your projects in these spaces surrounded by students working on other interesting projects that you would have never thought of before. And you can get ideas and inspiration and even help from these other students, as well as the faculty or staff that work in these spaces.
We serve students from all over the world, and part of our support network within the university is for our international students who have such a great presence on our campus.
Duke MEMS has a very interdisciplinary research opportunities, plus the collaboration between clinicians and engineers is very close. And couple that with the small class size, it was just a perfect fit.
Not only are our faculty world-leading experts in their fields, they're great scholars, they're great researchers, but more so, they are excellent instructors. They are invested in teaching you.
They're not intimidating or scary to approach and will almost never reject a request for a conversation to get to know where they started and how they got to where they are now.
The faculties at Duke MEMS are very open to ideas. They are eager to know what you think about research and what you want to do with your research and why. And then they sit together to make sure that both of you jot down a really concise and clear plan of how to reach that career goal that you want to achieve and help you do that.
Every single master's student prepares a digital portfolio of all of the work that they've performed with us. And this shows employers that they are ready to get to work. Even before you step foot on campus, we connect you with a broad set of support services on our campus. We connect you with career services who are going to advise you on how to get a job. We also connect you with our alumni network very early on in your career, so you can find out where our Duke alums work and potentially establish partnerships with them before you graduate. When I review applications for the MEMS Master's program, I don't just look at grades, but I'm also looking for people who can contribute to our community, people who bring experience and diversity of thought. But I also look for people for whom I know the Duke experience will be transformative in their lives. So getting your master's degree in Duke MEMS is a journey of discovery, a discovery in the classroom, a discovery of science and new knowledge, but it's also a discovery of possible futures for yourself. And finally, it's a discovery of who you really are. Please visit our website to learn more, and thanks for your interest in Duke MEMS.